Hello, good morning. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be showing how to write a fraction out if you've got a diagram. So changing that diagram into a fraction. And then we're going to use that information to add and take away some fractions. Okay, so if we look at this diagram here, if you notice we've got three squares that are shaded in red. So what we do, we write that 3 down there. Put that fraction line down. Next thing we do is we count up how many squares or rectangles here we've got all together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we've got 13. So that forms our bottom number. And we call that bottom number our denominator of the fraction, which is the total of all the squares, and we call the top number the numerator. That's the red number on the top there. So that would be, we call that 3/13. Okay, working it out on this one here, we've got 13 again. It's exactly the same shape, so we'll put a 13 on our denominator. Looking at our numerator, our top number, the red, how many squares have been shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to have 4 on our top. So that would represent 4/13. Okay. If we were to add those two shapes together, I'd have my 3 and I'd have my 4. So if I was to add them together, let's turn this into an add sum, put an equal sign on it, we can work out how many shapes we'd have shaded all together. So 3 plus 4 red shaded will give me 7 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it doesn't matter which 7 you shade, just in the same way it didn't matter which 4 we shaded here. So we've got our 3 here, add it to our 4 here, and that gives me 7. And again, we've got 13 in total, so 13 is our denominator, our bottom number. So we've now got a sum here of 3/13 here plus 4/13 is equal to 7/13. So the rule is that if we've got the denominator, the bottom number, being the same, all we have to do on the fraction is just add the top numbers together. Okay, so if we just try this on the fraction without the diagrams, we've got 7ths on the bottom here, and we've got 2/7 plus 3/7. So our rule from our diagrams here mean that we keep the 7 the same in our answer. We add the 2 and the 3 together to give us 5. So the answer to 2/7 plus 3/7 is therefore 5/7. Okay, same works if we're taking away as well. So if we've got 14/17, take away 5/17, we know straight away that as these two denominators are the same, the denominator will also be 17 in our answer. So all we have to do is 14 take away 5, and that leaves us with 9/17. One more, we've got 13 take away 4, so 13/15 take away 4/15. We know straight away that our number is 15. Remember, it only holds when both our denominators in our question are the same, so we can do that. 13 take away 4 gives us 9/15. Now if you're being clever here, we can actually cancel that down. We'll look at this in another video in more detail, but 9/15, you'll get a tick for that answer, but if you wanted to get 2 ticks, you could see that both 9 and 15 are in a 3 times table. 3 threes make 9, and 5 threes make 15, so you could cancel that down to get 2 ticks into 3/5. So there you have it. Writing a fraction out from a displayed shape and sort of using this knowledge to show how we can add and take away fractions when we've got the same denominator.